Hey there, you have an online store but don't know what to sell? No problem, I will show you top winning products. These products will be game changer. My name is Mukul and I'm a fanatical digital marketer, helping individuals build online businesses. My goal is to assist over 20k people reach their goals with e-commerce. Every day I'm trying to find new products to sell and I am sharing with you my top winning products. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Please subscribe to this channel to get your winning product.
Our first product for this episode is nail print template set. Proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. This product is selling in only 3 stores. The product link is given in description. The plate is made of high quality stainless steel which ensures the high quality of the product. Deep and precise carving gives you a better stamping effect than normal stamping plates. Unique designers ensure your unique experience of nail art. The product cost is $3.03 and you can sell this product for $9 to $15. The profit margin will be between $6 to $11. The targeting people on Facebook ads is given on the slide. Our next product is vintage metal microphone robot desk lamp. Proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. This product is selling in only 3 stores. The product link is given in description. The microphone robot can also be used as a desk lamp, placed on a desk or at home, and is also a good decoration. This microphone robot can also be equipped with energy-saving LED bulbs. The bulb life is 25,000 hours, so it can be used for a long time. The microphone robot is made of metal, and the dimensions are height, 8.5 inches, width, 4 inches, and depth, 3 inches. It will be a long-term favorite, because the main material is mainly metal, and over time, components with brass materials will create an ancient atmosphere. The joints of this machine can be controlled slightly freely, so you can easily adjust the angle of the light and create different poses. The microphone robot is not only an interior decoration for lighting but also an ornament for viewing. The power cord is black. The product cost is $9.11 and you can sell this product for $39 to $50. The profit margin will be between $30 to $40. The targeting people on Facebook ads is given on the slide. Our next product is cookie molds with good wishes. Proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. This product is selling in only 4 stores. The product link is given in description. Environmentally friendly material DIY biscuit mold set. Interesting letters can make your eyes shine. There are 4 different sizes of biscuit molds and a variety of cookie mold shapes for you to make different blessing biscuits. It is made of high quality environmentally friendly plastic and processed through multiple processes to make the mold hardness suitable, durable, and necessary for baking. It is a good helper in the kitchen. The non-stick and deodorizing properties ensure that the mold is very easy to clean. Each mold is small enough to be placed almost anywhere, saving space in any cabinets, drawers or kitchen shelves. The mold is ideal for boiling eggs, baking muffins, and cakes. It can also be used as a quiche mold, chocolate mold, pudding mold, jelly mold, ice cube mold, fruit cutting mold. A gadget for fun birthday or holiday parties, weddings, preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks or meal times. The product cost is only 85 cents and you can sell this product for $19 to $25. The profit margin will be between $19 to $24. The targeting people on Facebook ads is given on the slide. Our next product is Universal Capo Guitar Accessories Quick Change Clam Key Aluminium. Proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. This product is selling in only 2 stores. The product link is given in description. Soft rubber pads for firm string tension and great protection. Operates just with one hand and fits comfortably in your hand. Can clam on most fretboards. Can be quickly and easily released and repositioned. Small in size, convenient and portable. Strong rust resistance. Shining appearance, elegance and fashion. Suitable for guitars of different widths. Great as gift for friends or musicians. The product cost is only 95 cents and you can sell this product for $15 to $20. The profit margin will be between $10 to $14. The targeting people on Facebook ads is given on the slide. Our next product is Newborn Photography Props Wraps Baby Photo Blanket. Proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. This product is selling in only 3 stores. The product link is given in description. This is Newborn Photography Props Wraps Baby Photo Blanket, Basket Layer Filler Backdrops. Newborn props perfect unisex baby girl and baby boy, for a newborn photo shoot, photography studio, newborn baby shower, birth announcement. This newborn props perfect gift for pregnant wife, family, friends, relatives. The product cost is $7.59 and you can sell this product for $13 to $20. The profit margin will be between $5 to $13. The targeting people on Facebook ads is given on the slide. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comment which product is for you.